I'm not saying might. It's unstoppable. It's inevitable. I don't know when. It sounds crazy. It sounds nonsensical. You'll be shocked. Everybody will.
You will be president of South Africa.
I am going to be president of this country at the appointed time. I don't know when. It may even be next month.
The former president, Jacob Zuma, has returned to politics with a new party, MK.
Oh, please don't ask me about that madness.
This devoted crowd traveled hours to see him. And hours later, he arrives.
Zuma, you had your chance.
We can see now the real leader is Jacob Zuma.
Into entsha iyacwebezela iba ngumsindo
Zakhala awuthi ngigadle kancane wePapas ngabe uyazi na ukuthi MK ngabuye iphathe la eThekwini angisho kwamanye kwezinye indawo ngisho la KZN ngokubuka kwami ngoba nami ngumuntu onamehlo ngibuka engathi uMK yona eliphethe njengamanje noma ephethe uANC but uMK yona eliphusha kakhulu njengamanje yona sidume kakhulu. So Papas ungakhulumi kabi ngeqembu lomunye umuntu because nawe ngeke uyithande le nto masebekwenza kuwena ukuthi wena into entsho yacobeza bla 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 oDA icela abelungu odlebe ekhanyilanga yabo nje into ongeke uyithande bafo ungakhulumi kabi ngeqembu lomunye umuntu ufuna ukubeka lokho nje okunye kwamapolitika ngifuna ukuyingena.
It is not, because there is not even anyone who's coming to control the situation or anything that's going on in here.
We're not even united, my brother.
Others, they are sick, others, they have a loss through. What is now?
Tell me now what I'm doing. Oh, what I'm doing? What I'm saying?
Don't fit me with your English words from London, please.
Sesivotile thina uRamaphosa uyidle yonke imali wayithatha wayifihla kwamatrasi.
Hey.
Thina sivotela Baba wethu, the one and only trusted Baba.
Following this court convicting Mr. Zuma of the offence of contempt of court, it decided that in terms of Section 41E of the Constitution, Mr. Zuma was not qualified to stand as a candidate for the National Assembly.
There's been 15,000 candidates on that parliamentary list from various parties. President Zuma is the only one out of 15,000 people that are getting an objection.
Deputy Speaker, over here. Hey.
Yes,
how are you,
Deputy
Deputy
Speaker?
Yes. Can I address you?
On what rule, Honorable Member?
People know it, they believe it.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at him.
And there are so many political formations out there that are reaching out to me.
MK's for the truth. ANC has done nothing for us.
Shut up!
Shut up!
Do you know what's the plan moving forward about in the community?
No, the plan, I can't understand it really. What's the plan about that? The fact how they are related to that lady, the Zimbabwean lady. That is so